In this video, I'll be sharing with you the home remedies how to treat mouth sores without the use of any of the chemicals. Plus, I'll be sharing with you the causes. Why causes? Because if we want the long term results, then we have to understand the causes. If we don't understand the causes and directly rush towards the treatment, then the problem will reoccur. Do you want this? I don't want this for my patients. That's why I'm sharing this with you. So, the first reason is bad metabolism or bad digestion. If a person is having constipation or other problem, this will lead to the occurrence of mouth sores. The second cause is if we are lacking in vitamin B. If our body is depleting in vitamin B, yes, mouth sores will occur. Third reason is the use of tobacco, alcohol, coffee, and smoking. These all things reduce our body in vitamin B and which in turn causes mouth sores. The fourth reason is stress. If a person is in stress, either he will eat a lot or will stop eating. This will affect his metabolism, which in turn causes mouth sores. Some of the medicines like beta blockers can also cause mouth sores. So if you are using them, then you have to use them with caution. Now we should move towards the treatment plan. The first line of treatment is detoxifying your body with the help of Triphala powder or tablets. Second is the use of tea tree oil. Apply on the mouth sores and you will see the effect in 1 to 3 days. You can also use glycerin if you like. You have to eat food rich in vitamin C because if you're having mouth ulcer, this means that there is depletion of vitamin B in your body. And last but not least, you have to cope up with your stress level by doing exercise or just yoga or medication. Thank you so much and stay healthy.